一台可以覆盖200个平方的空调。Just 10 minutes after startup, can it maintain 26 degrees Celsius indoors? Have you seen such a unit? We're discussing an industrial-grade indoor AC. It cools via compressor and refrigerant.Featuring Panasonic Swirl compressors， 也可以快速降温10到20度。Its outlet air is 13 to 16 degrees Celsius。温度开机10分钟就可以使室内的温度保持在26到28度的温度，在降温的时候也是不会产生任何湿气的。Our energy efficiency comes from the water-cooled external unit, which cools the compressor, saving 40% to 90% more power than traditional ACS. We are the manufacturer with various lines, multiple models, including the Jetstream version, providing spot cooling and whole room ventilation. Dark machines also cool workstations. You can choose based on your actual needs. Our factory is in Wanjiang, Dongguan, Guangdong. Interested in this provincial AC system? 可以来我们工厂实地参观考察一下。